Hello, my name is Jezebel. I am here to bring you awareness about plastic pollution causes from the United States. The United States is one of the largest sources of pollution. It exports their plastic waste into other countries and is not respectfully recycling or preventing plastic pollution. The United States produces up to 42 million metric tons of plastic waste. That's about 286 pounds per person. The third largest cause of plastic pollution in the coastal areas, so people that live next to the coast are experiencing the ocean pollution. It is due to single-use plastic like plastic bags, straws, food containers, utensils. The plastic pollution is falsely criticized by Asian nation, which the United States is exporting their plastic waste to. That is including China, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam. The United States is exporting it to the countries with ineffective waste management systems, so it ends up in the ocean. The United States also bypasses the global waste export system, so it goes around it to export their plastic waste away from the United States. And that causes 2 to 3% of plastic waste to be legally discarded. On this picture, volunteers collected plastic pollution for the Ocean Conservancy annual international cleanup in one day. They clean up around the coast every fall. And as you see by it, there's a lot of plastic collected. On this picture, it shows how long some plastic pollution is to be gone. Like if you have a kid, the disposable diapers is 450 years. 1 million plastic bags are being used every minute, and if you see on the picture, that's 10 to 20 years. And 20 billion plastic bottles end up in the trash can each year, and that takes 450 years each plastic bottle. The ways that the plastic pollution is being caused is from overuse, and it's inexpensive, incorrect disposal problems, fishing, and the effects that it gives is water, groundwater, air, soil, land pollution. It affects the food chain, humans, animals, plants, aquatic birds, tourism, and locals. The solution to prevent plastic pollution is reuse and recycle, buy secondhand, clean up collections, avoid plastic packaging, switch to organic food stores, avoid bottled water, use reusable bottled water. The way that I help with preventing plastic pollution is that I use a reusable water bottle, I use bags, I buy secondhand clothing, and I try to recycle where it's beneficial. Only you can choose to refuse single-use plastic, and less plastic means more life. Thank you.